I miss the way Izzy said hello by hoofing me in the Kiwis. I miss the daytime when Izzy moved so slow. Oh, 'cause other times she'd get freaky. Oh, Izzy, I'll miss you so. Oh, my Izzy, my little Izzy, why'd I ever let you go?
Actually, she kinda dumped you.
I miss her smile and the way she liked to bite on my arm when there was trouble, which was all the time. Oh, I miss the way she'd always say goodnight.
Oh,
and put me in the Kiwis double. Ouch. Oh, Izzy, I miss you so. Oh, my Izzy, my little Izzy, why'd I ever let you go? Why'd I ever let you go?